Assalamu alaikum. We are the followers of Sufis. We are the people of inclusion. We don't hate Allah's creation. As Jalaluddin Rumi rahmatullah alayhi said, I don't even hate Satan because he is creation of Almighty Allah. I hate his actions. I hate what he does. We don't hate sinner. We hate sin. We don't hate mushrik. We hate shirk. We don't hate kafir, a non-believer. We hate non-believing. We hate kufr. We are the people of inclusion. We invite people to Islam through love, respect, dialogue. That is the way Quran has asked us to invite people to Allah's deen, and deen that Rasulullah, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has given to us. We share our faith with people by dialogue, by sitting together, inviting them, sharing meal with them. We don't spread Islam by giving fatwas and through hate or intolerance. We love Allah's creation, and that has been the Sufis' way of spreading Islam around the world. May Allah give us tawfiq to be wise and to follow the way of Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam. Ameen.